KitchenAid mixers are renowned for their versatility and durability, making them a staple in many kitchens. While their primary function is to mix ingredients for baking, these stand mixers offer a plethora of additional features that elevate them to indispensable culinary tools. With various attachments and accessories, a KitchenAid stand mixer can seamlessly transition from whipping up batter to grinding meat, shredding chicken, slicing, dicing, and even spiralizing vegetables. The combination of a powerful, high-speed motor and a range of functionalities makes the KitchenAid stand mixer a versatile addition to any kitchen. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer stands out as a popular choice among home bakers. Its design, functionality, and a wide array of curated colors contribute to its appeal. The Artisan series boasts an extensive palette of colors, allowing users to choose a mixer that not only meets their culinary needs but also complements their kitchen decor. In contrast, the classic stand mixer is available in two neutral shades, offering a more understated option for those who prefer a simpler aesthetic. One of the key differences between the Artisan and regular KitchenAid mixers lies in the color options and bowl capacity. The Artisan series, with its vibrant color choices, appeals to those seeking a personalized and stylish kitchen appliance. Additionally, Artisan mixers come with a larger capacity bowl, providing more room for mixing larger batches of ingredients. This distinction makes the Artisan series stand mixer suitable for a broader range of culinary tasks, especially for those who often find themselves preparing larger quantities of food. Durability is a crucial factor when considering kitchen appliances, and KitchenAid stand mixers are known for their longevity. On average, these mixers have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. However, the actual lifespan depends on factors such as usage frequency and maintenance. Proper care and maintenance are essential to ensure that the mixer continues to function optimally throughout its lifespan. Despite their reputation for durability, KitchenAid mixers, like any mechanical device, may require occasional maintenance. Some users have expressed opinions about the build quality of newer models, suggesting that even older models might need maintenance over time. Regular maintenance can include cleaning, lubricating moving parts, and inspecting for any signs of wear. By adhering to a routine maintenance schedule, users can prolong the life of their KitchenAid mixer and ensure that it continues to perform at its best. In conclusion, the KitchenAid stand mixer stands out as a versatile and durable kitchen appliance. Its ability to go beyond mixing and take on various culinary tasks makes it a valuable tool for home bakers and cooks. The choice between the Artisan series and the regular KitchenAid mixer depends on individual preferences, with the Artisan series offering a broader range of colors and a larger capacity bowl. With proper care and maintenance, a KitchenAid mixer can become a long-lasting and reliable companion in the kitchen, making it a worthwhile investment for culinary.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. me high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me